Can I teach myself the basics of volleyball in just 1 week and learn enough to teach it confidently to my PE students? Volleyball looks simple, but passing, setting, serving, and moving into position can be surprisingly difficult when you're just getting started. As a PE teacher, I don't need to become an elite player. I need simple skills and cues that help students succeed. My goal this week is to learn the fundamentals, identify common mistakes, and find drills that keep every student involved. Teaching volleyball can be challenging because students enter the gym with completely different skill levels, confidence, and previous experience. Some students become frustrated when the ball keeps dropping. Others dominate the activity while beginners barely get a chance to participate. The answer is to break each skill into small, manageable steps and give students plenty of successful repetitions before playing full games. The first skill I'm learning is the forearm pass, commonly called the bump. This is the foundation of volleyball ball control. To create a strong platform, place one hand inside the other, bring the thumbs together, and keep the forearms flat. My simple passing cue is hands in front, arms straight, platform to the target. Let the legs provide most of the power. A common mistake is swinging the arms wildly. Instead, students should use a controlled lift and guide the ball toward their target. Beginners can start by tossing the ball to themselves, letting it bounce once, and then passing it upward from their platform. And the next skill is setting. A good set gives a teammate a high, controlled ball that they can attack or send over. Hold your hands above your forehead and create a small window or triangle using your thumbs and index fingers. Spread apart slightly and curve. My setting cue is window, cushion, push. See the ball through the window, soften the contact, and extend toward the target. Students often catch the ball or slap it with their palms. The ball should contact the fingertips and leave the hands quickly. For younger students, allow a catch and push progression before requiring a continuous set. This helps them learn positioning and control. Serving starts every rally, but students don't need a powerful overhand serve to experience success. For an underhand serve, hold the ball in the non-hitting hand, spread feet shoulder length apart, lock the ball across the body, swing the hammer back, step with the opposite foot, hit the ball low and follow through. Never move the ball before you strike it. My serving cue is step, swing, hit, and follow through. Contact the ball with a firm side fist. Move beginners closer to the net or allow them to serve from anywhere they can experience success. Students should gradually move backward as their serving improves. Distance becomes a challenge they earn instead of a barrier they fear. You don't need a full volleyball court for every activity. Use stations, partner challenges, wall work, and smaller playing areas. Partners can count how many controlled passes they complete in a row. Encourage them to beat their own score instead of other groups. Students can set the ball to themselves, set to a partner, or attempt to land their set inside a hoop or marked target. The biggest lesson from this challenge is that students don't need complicated drills, they need clear cues and repeated chances to succeed. Success might mean one controlled pass, one accurate set, or one serve over the net. Celebrate progress instead of perfection. After 1 week, I may not be an expert volleyball player, but I can confidently demonstrate the basics and help beginners improve. Teach the platform, the setting window, and a simple serving motion. Add modifications, encourage teamwork, and keep every student moving. What is your favorite volleyball teaching cue or activity? Share it in the comments so other PE teachers can try it.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, be sure to hit that like button to help us out. Thank you.